Moving on to Beyonce, who is back in fighting condition, I think you would say, and she wants everyone to know it. Check out this photo, or photos, images of herself that she posted, bearing a little midriff. And yes, if you're wondering, you're trying to figure out what the number was, it's 4 months. 4 months since she had twins.
Yeah, she looks absolutely amazing, Charles. And if you look closely in these photos, you know, everyone keeps saying that it's a waist strainer that she's wearing. I personally think, you know, it's one of those like little slimming belts, but that doesn't even matter that she's wearing it because she doesn't even need it. If you look close
Whatever
enough,
it is, it doesn't matter because it's not. It doesn't appear to be like sort of cinching her in.
Oh,
She's
she
there,
looks amazing. And if you look at the top of her abs, she's got like some abs coming back and forming, you know, from that post baby body. Like, I love it. I love this outfit on her.
Mm-hmm. Actually, you know what? I thought it looks like a cummerbund. Remember the thing you wore when you were going to prom? Put your cummerbund on with your tux? No? All right.
I mean, it
Just
does.
me. Never mind.
Make sure to subscribe to TMZ Live to keep up to date on the latest entertainment news.
And if you want to keep watching, click on one of these videos right now.